I had the solid wood bookcase, but it was missing a leg and had some dents and dings. I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to make something else. I began by removing all the decorative molding and the feet. Then I removed the back and used it as a template to cut a piece of MDF to size. This would be the top of my finished piece. I bought a piece of 2-inch solid foam, laid it on top of the MDF, and found the center. I then measured and marked 5 additional points on the foam. I used a screwdriver and a hammer to poke through the foam to mark the MDF. On those marks, I drilled holes through the MDF. I increased the size of the foam holes using a utility knife. The reason for the 2-inch foam is I was going to upholster the top. I laid out my fabric, then interfacing, then the foam, then the MDF. By simply folding the fabric onto the MDF and stapling it in place, the top was taking shape. I carefully folded the corners and cut off excess material so it wouldn't be too bulky. To attach buttons, I used a metal skewer and pushed it through the fabric so I knew where my holes were on the other side. Because I didn't have a long enough needle, I fashioned one out of a bamboo skewer, attaching the button on the end and then pulling it through the fabric and the foam. To tighten the buttons, I placed a small screw between the holes, wrapped the thread around the screw, and screwed it in tight. To finish, I stapled a piece of white material over the bottom. I screwed in a piano hinge to the edge so the top could attach to the bottom. To give the bookcase an upholstered look, I covered it with batting and then fabric and stapled it on 4 sides of the bookcase. I stained pre-made feet with a walnut stain. When the feet were dry, I attached them to the bottom of the bookcase. So in case you haven't guessed, I turned my bookcase into an upholstered storage ottoman. It holds dog toys, blankets, anything I want. My dogs love it. I hope you do too, and I hope this inspires you to make a storage ottoman for yourself. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To never miss a Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.